Second graders, I'm so impressed with how well you've been doing adding three-digit numbers. It's been amazing to watch your work. You're doing such a great job. Today we're going to take it a step further and get into some things that are a little bit harder. Remember, you can always watch this video more than once if it didn't make sense. All right, here we go. We're going to add today 382 plus 234. I already built those numbers with blocks, so I can use those to show you. 382, 234. Here we go. I'm going to first type out my expanded form so I can work with that as well. 382. I'm going to make it bigger and move it. Then I also need 234. Great. I'll make that bigger. And remember, we want to line up our hundreds and tens and ones so we know exactly what we're adding together. Great. Here we go. Let's start with 300 plus 200. If we look over here, we can just count 1, 2, 300, 400, 500. Perfect. 500. Okay, next, let's add 80 plus 30. Here's where it's going to get tricky. Over here we have 80, 10, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. Whoa. Okay, we have 110. We'll come back to that in a minute because we can't leave that in the tens place. Last, we'll add our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now this looks a little different. Normally we can take this and smash it back together into standard form and it'll give us our answer. But right now we have 100 in the tens place. It shouldn't be there. We have to move this over. Okay, I'm going to get rid of my draw tool and I'm going to show you that with blocks. Here we have 80 blocks. We need 2 more to make this a solid 100. I'm going to move 2 from here. And now this should equal 100. Let's check. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Phew, perfect. Now, I'm actually going to move that whole thing, and I'm going to put it in the hundreds place where it belongs. Just like that. Now it's with the other hundreds. Just like this, where we move the 100 to the hundreds place. So, if I move that over, how many hundreds do I have now? Let's change the color and count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I have 6 hundreds in the hundreds place. How many tens do I have? Let's see, if I moved those ones and I had 1 left over, I only have 1. 10. There it is. See right there? We got the 100, moved it over. We're just left with 10, so we can drop that down. Now the ones stay the same. Nothing really happened to the ones, so we can do this. And now we can write out our answer. Now we have 616. 616. Awesome. Okay, wasn't so bad, was it? The blocks help a lot. Today, on your assignment, I'm going to give you the same exact equation, this one right here, and I want you to do all the work in number pieces. Don't forget, I want you to do the blocks. I want you to practice moving them around. And I want you to do expanded form. Expanded form is so helpful, and especially when things get trickier and trickier, you're going to really, really like using expanded form. Okay, good luck. You guys can do this.